Rawr, I'm gonna eat you. No, don't eat me. But I am Mini T-Rex. Oh no, you're the best. Wait, are you still recording this?
No.
What's up, Mike?
Hey everybody.
What's up, Mike?
Well, today I'm going over the review of the 3D filament made by Zyro. This is glow-in-the-dark blue. It's a pretty decent filament. We printed out several different things, including this articulated T-Rex. He stands up and he moves. He's pretty neat. We also have same thing with the Velociraptor. It stands up. It's like that. I got some little glow-in-the-dark figures. There's the Paint Me Like French Lady guy. This is the I'm the Boss. We also have, can't really see it, but you have a hanging guy, which I'll just put right here. He hangs on stuff, and which I have him hanging on the printer, and a guy that sit-down guy. So like he could sit on T-Rex. So if you ever wanted to sit on T-Rex, print out one of these and a T-Rex. Alright, so we did have some issues with the first layer on this glow-in-the-dark filament. It has a range on the thing from 190 to 220 Celsius. Figured out that 210 is a good nozzle temperature. This filament is really good. It definitely prints well once you get past the first layer. I've looked on here and on all the prints, I haven't seen any like shifting or no hairs or stringing. This is our Hodor, and you got to make it glow in the dark because it's Hodor. And also, a couple other things that we have printed, like this is for my father-in-law. It's a little coaster with his favorite football team. This filament also came with a resealable bag. This is one of the first. It's the only filament that came with a resealable bag, which is really cool. So if you don't have a dry box built, then you go ahead and put the filament back into the bag and reseal it. I'm going to be doing a video on a dry box very shortly, so please stay tuned for that. It's a good filament, and I will definitely recommend the filament. It is a little bit tricky getting that first layer, but once you get the first layer dialed in, it does a pretty good job. I would give it 4 out of 5 stars. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and leave any comments or questions down below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the little notification in the upper corner to get notified when any new videos are coming out. Thank you very much. Take care and see you next time. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please go ahead and list them down below. And don't forget to click the like button and wave at the gnat around your head.
Sorry.
And don't forget to click the like button.
Sorry. There was like a gnat attacking me.
So here's your little people back.
Do you want me to stop recording?
Oh yeah, you can stop that.